Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I am so excited about today's video because we're talking about something seriously adorable. Like almost as cute as my dog's kind of adorable, teacup gardens. I don't know who looked at a perfectly good teacup and decided to put plants in it, but like bless you. Honestly, it's genius. These tiny gardens are perfect for small spaces, like if you live in a New York City apartment or if your house is already overrun with dogs and you just need a little plant life for yourself. So if you're ready to get your green thumb on and create the cutest little garden this side of, well, anywhere, then keep watching because we're about to dive into the best succulents for teacup gardens. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of teacup gardening with a focus on the best succulents to use. Okay, first up, we have the divas of the succulent world, the ones with more drama than an episode of The Real Housewives. Echeverias. I mean, have you ever seen anything so extra? These succulents are known for their gorgeous rosette shapes and the colors. Don't even get me started. They come in every shade imaginable, from pale green to deep purple to this insane pink that looks like it was invented by fairies. And the best part, Echeverias are pretty low maintenance. They don't need a ton of water, which is perfect for forgetful plant parents like myself. Plus, they're pretty chill about sunlight, so you can put them in a bright window and they'll be totally happy. Just imagine, you're sipping your morning coffee, looking out at the city skyline, and bam! Right there on your windowsill is this stunning Echeveria, just thriving in its tiny teacup kingdom. Talk about a mood booster. It's like Zen Garden meets Glam Squad, and I am here for it. Next up on our teacup garden adventure, we have the Haworthias. Now these guys might be small, seriously small, but don't let their size fool you, they are mighty. They're like the Beyoncé of the succulent world, tiny but fierce. Haworthias are known for their intricate patterns and textures. Seriously, they look like little pieces of living art. Some of them have these cool, translucent stripes and others have little white bumps all over them. It's like, who designed these things? They're amazing. And just like Echeverias, Haworthias are super low maintenance. They don't need a lot of water, and they're pretty happy in bright, indirect light. Now, because they're so small, you can get really creative with your teacup garden arrangements. You can cluster a few different varieties together for a super textured look, or you can pair them with other small succulents for a more diverse vibe. Okay guys, buckle up because we're about to enter the twilight zone of succulents. Lithops, also known as living stones. Seriously, these plants are so weird and wonderful, it's like they came from another planet. Lithops are basically the masters of disguise. They've evolved to look like, you guessed it, stones. I mean, can you even imagine chilling in the desert and seeing a bunch of these little guys just blending in with the rocks? Talk about camouflage goals. But here's the thing, as if looking like rocks wasn't cool enough, lithops also produce these gorgeous daisy-like flowers. It's like they're saying, hey, we might look like boring old stones, but we're actually fabulous. Now, lithops can be a little bit trickier to care for than some other succulents. They're very sensitive to overwatering, so you have to be careful not to drown them. But trust me, when you see those flowers bloom, it's totally worth the effort. Alright, let's be real. Sometimes we just need a plant that can handle itself, like a plant that's down for whatever, even if whatever means forgetting to water it for a month. And that's where sedums come in. These succulents are the definition of low maintenance. Seriously, they're like the cacti of the succulent world, but way less prickly. They can handle a lot of sun, they don't need a ton of water, and they're pretty much pest-free. It's like they're designed for people who kill every plant they touch. No judgment here. Plus, sedums come in a ton of different varieties. Some of them have these trailing stems that look amazing cascading over the edge of a teacup. And they come in all sorts of colors and textures, so you can really get creative with your arrangements. Last but not least, we have the sempervivums, also known as hens and chicks. These succulents are like the gift that keeps on giving because they produce all these little baby succulents called offsets that you can then use to start new plants. It's like the circle of succulent life. Sempervivums are also super hardy and low maintenance. They can handle a lot of sun, they don't need a ton of water, and they're pretty much indestructible. Plus, they come in so many different colors and textures. Seriously, it's like the sempervivum family threw a party and invited every color in the rainbow. You can find them in shades of green, red, purple, brown, and even black. And their textures range from smooth and glossy to fuzzy and spiky. It's like, what can't they do? And there you have it, my little plant parents. 5 amazing succulents that are perfect for teacup gardens. I hope this video inspired you to create your own little slice of succulent heaven. Seriously, teacup gardens are such a fun and easy way to add a touch of greenery to your life. And the best part is, there are no rules. You can use any succulents you want, any teacups you want, and you can arrange them however you want. So go forth, be creative, and most importantly, have fun.